Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on your account within H&M. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in hm.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official H&M website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to add a payment method on your account, then you can only add this by making an order. So just browse through the various different products, and when you find something that you like, you can click on it and you will see the add to cart button. Click on add to cart and now go ahead and click on the shopping bag option. You will now see the checkout button. Click on this and now finally you will be asked to enter your billing address. Just type in your address followed by your town or city as well as your postcode. Then choose your state and then click on the save button. You will then be taken into the payment page from which you can add your debit or your credit card. Just enter your card credentials followed by the CVV number and the expiration date and proceed forward, and this payment method will be added onto your account right away. After adding this payment method, you can continue forward with checking out and finalize your payment. And this method will be added as your payment method onto your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a payment method onto your H&M account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.